Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa67's workshop, and welcome to pack 10 of the Fanhome Build Your Own Eleanor Gone in 60 Seconds Mustang from our good friends over at Fanhome. And this week we have got the side mirror and holder on the left door of the Eleanor. Now, click the link below to go to Fanhome and get your Eleanor subscription, folks. The link is also in the description below this video. Right, let's just sort out the parts and get them all lined up so that we can see what we've got in this kit. Got a few bags of screws. We've obviously got your door panel there, which, look at that, the paint finish, folks. Absolute quality. You've got the door mirror. You've got some screws for it. You've also got a door handle to go on there, and it will just finish off the exterior of this door. But look at the lacquer coat on there. Absolutely beautiful. So, instructions will be appearing as usual on the right, but also you can download these from your subscription portal, folks. So we've got part 10C, 10B, D and E in this episode. So I'm just going to lightly sand the nub off of that because it's a little bit sharp. And this has got to go inside the mirror, folks, this little lens. So it's going to get hidden by the leading edge of the mirror. But I just wanted to get that nub off of there because I am a scale modeler and nubs are our enemy. So just run your finger over it, smooth it down, nice and gently. Let the sanding stick do the work and it will get shot of that for you. And that should now just locate in there on that little pin there. Just inside there. So I've just checked the edges to make sure they're smooth, which they are. So we just press that in there like that. And it's a resistance fit. So just push it over your thumb. Use the edge of your nail if you need to, but don't dig too deep, folks. And that's the front lens on there. And then you've got an adhesive mirror. So just peel that off of its backing paper. And then you want to apply this to the black disc that you've just put in on the wing mirror, folks. So try and line it up as best you possibly can before you smooth it home. Bump, like that. And then run your thumb just round in little circular motions to start the adhesive to stick. And then that should be it. If you want, you can run a cotton bud over it or a Q-tip if you're in America. And then peel the little clear protective layer off the front. There you go, a rather splendid looking wing mirror. So let's open up our screws and get them ready. Because you want to screw the mirror to the inside of the door. So you've got two DS6 screws, two PS4 screws. So you'll have a spare of each. So get one of them ready. And then I've got a cloth on my cutting mat there just to protect the paint finish. And then it's going to be the usual procedure. Slot the mirror in from the outside through the little hole there. You might need to turn it so you can see it, and it will just locate on the pin. Grab your screwdriver and put a teensy-wincy little bit of 3M1 on there because we're going into die cast and it just lubricates the screw a little bit. Deft little turny-whirny. But you don't want to go down too tight because you are screwing plastic onto die cast. So if you go over tight, you could crack the surrounding of the screw. So you just want to nip it so that it bites, but not massively tight. And that'll then pop that mirror in place. Rather than lean on the door, do what I'm doing. Just pick it up and then nip it home. Like that. And you should have a wobble-free door mirror then. Just like that. Ooh, I know, scary, isn't it? So that's the mirror on. We've now got the little chrome door handle to put on there, and that is part 10E. So we'll grab the screws for that. And bear in mind, this is going through die cast into plastic, so it'll be the PS screws you want. And there's only going to be one you need. So line your door handle up with the two holes in the door there, folks. Just like that. and then holding it in place with your finger, lay it down on your surface, grab your screw, give it a little dip. Why not? Might as well. It's only one tiny wincy drip. And then locate that through the die cast into the plastic. And then again, just nip it home so that it is holding the door handle in place without it moving. And that's all you need to do on this stage. And it's just a matter of gently do the last few bits like that. And that should, when you flip it over, give you a rather splendid looking door. Look at that. Oh, and now that I've lined my handle up, I can now nip that back edge. Just like that. Because don't want a wonky door handle, do we? No, of course we don't. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Absolutely beautiful. I can't fault the quality of this. I really can't. It is absolutely stunning. And this is the very early stages of this part work, folks. But already I'm super impressed with this. So don't forget, link is on the screen now. Hit the link up, head over and have a look and treat yourself. You know you want to, folks. So that wraps up this episode. Head over, have a look, see what you think, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye for now.